Hello everyone, good afternoon. My name is Giver Nasrulozain with name 19240817. In my opinion, in the Indonesia versus Bahrain match during the World Cup 2026, there were many very controversial incidents. For example, many Indonesian players were fouled by Bahrain player, but the referee not responded to this. And also the pick during extra time which should have been 90 to 96, but what was there was 90 to 99, which should have been in the in the 96 minute won with a score 2 of 1 to a draw with a score 2 of 2. And after that there there were loss of protect supporter player from Indonesia because what what should have been Indonesia versus Bahrain instead become Indonesia versus referee. And also the AFF has confirmed this problem and has given Bahrain the opportunity to play in Indonesia. Otherwise, they will immediately fail to enter the qualifying World Cup 2026. Thank you. Hello everyone. The simple present. Let me introduce myself. My name is Givanus Rolozem with name 19240817. In the class 1911A39. Introduction. Integrative words or question words are used to ask questions and gather information. This word help specify what kind of information is being sought, such as people, places, reasons, times, or methods. Common integrative words include list of question words, set the question, dan kata tanya. Who, siapa, what, apa, when, kapan, where, di mana, why, mengapa, how, bagaimana. Who is a pronoun used to refer to a person, people. Often is the subject of a clause, is the used to ask question or provide information about a person, identity, role, or characteristic. For example, in the question, who is that? It seeks the identity. The person is statement like she is the one who helped us. It gives more information object the subject. Contoh, do you know who is smoke? Do you know who is smoking in the what is pronoun used to ask question or give information about something, typically inquiring about on subject, action, or idea. It seeks to identity or create details such on in the question what is that, which for information on about an unknown thing. It can also introducing statement like this is what I wanted to specify a particular thing or idea. Contoh, what are the rules about smoking in the campus area? When is question word used to ask about time, it helps to determine in the timing of a event, action, or situation. For example, in the question when will you arrive, it asks for the specific time to arrival. When can also be used in statement to indicate a specific moment or period, like in I remember when we first met. Contoh kalimat, when is it allowed to smoke to smoke in the where? Where is integrative word used to ask about a place or location. It seeks information regarding the position or situation of something someone. For example, in the question, where is the library? It is asking for the specific location of library of the library. Where can also be used statement such as I remember the places where we met to refer to a location without asking the question. Contoh kalimat where the designated smoked in area, smoking area. Why? Why is an integrative word used to us about reason of purpose? It seeks to understand to to rationale behind an action or situation. For example, in the question, why are you late? Is asked for reason for the lateness. Contoh kalimat, why is smoking prohibited in most areas in the campus? How is interrogative word used to ask about the manner, method, or process of something. It seeks to understand the why in the action is performed or the condition of something. For example, in the question, how do you make this dish? It asks for a method of preparation. Contoh kalimat, how do the campus authorities enforce the smoking regulation? Common question word, who and where. Who is responsible for managing the smoking area on campus? What and why? What are the reasons why smoking is banned in the curtain areas? We and how. We and how can student request changing to the smoking policy? Where and what? Where can I find out what the smoking rules on campus? Who and what? Who can I tell? Who can I talk to about what support is available for students wanting to quiet some smoking? Common mistake with question word: incorrect word order. Mistake: what are you doing? What you are doing? Correction: what are you doing? Using what instead of which? Mistake: what book do you prefer? That one on history or science? Correction: which book do you prefer? That one on history or science? Missing subject or auxiliary verb. Mistake: what you going? Correction: where are you going? Confusing can confusing who and whom. Mistake: who did you give the book to? Correction: whom did you give to? Incorrect purpose use. Mistake: to whom you are speaking? Correction: whom are you speaking to? Double question word. Mistake: what time is when we meet? Correction: what time do we meet? Not using question marks. Mistake: where is the library? Correction: where is the library? Using how for yes no question. Mistake: how is that you are not coming? Correction: are you not? In daily activities, who like ice cream? Who teaches your English? Who live next door? Who plays soccer? What do you eat for breakfast? What time does she usually arrive? What do they like to do weekend? What kind of music do you listen to? When do you go to school? When does she usually wake up? When do they have lunch? When does the rain arrive? When do we celebrate your birthday? Where do you, where do you live? Where does she works? Where do they play soccer? Where do we buy? Why? Why do you like the book? Why do you go to gym? Why does she like the movie? How? How do you get to school? How often do you exercise? How can I improve my English skill? How is weather today? Importance for question in writing and research. Information gathering. Question words like what, where, when, who, why, and how are essential for obtaining the information needed to develop ideas, argument, and the explosion. The guide writers and researchers in collection reference data. Focusing research. In the research question, words help to researching define the focus and shape and scope of their study. By establishing clear research question, they can direct their efforts towards finding relevant answer and solution. Building argument. Question word encourage the explain of a simple assumption and perspective, enabling writer to construct stronger argument by asking why and how. Writer can develop deeper analysis In changing reader engagement, posing, posing a question is in a text can capture the reader attention and encourage they to think more deeply about the topic. This can increase reader engagement and in the writing. Organizing idea. Question words help writing to organize their thoughts more more effectively. By consider relevant question, writer can structure the work logically and conclusion. Integrative planner of and question words play in crucial role in communication by helping users gather information and clarity detail about people, object, time, places, reasons, and method. Who is used in inquire about a person identity or role is in the question. Who is that? What seeks information about object, action, or ideas? Example by the question. What are the rules about smoking in the campus area? When is used to ask about time, helping determine when an event occurs. See in. When is allowed to smoke in the campus area where request information about a location, like in the question where in the library. Why ans why ask to understand the reason behind action illustrated by the question why are you late? How explore the manner or method of the something such in how do you like mau did. Thank you.